Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for today's power review where I give you everything you need to know about a product in under 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so today's power review is on the Foreo Luna Mini 2. So this device is a facial massager and cleanser all in one. It retails for $119. It comes in 6 different colors. It is made of hypoallergenic silicone. It features 3 cleansing zones. On the front side, you have the fine silicone touch points that are great for sensitive to normal skin. At the top, you have the thicker touch points that deliver precision cleaning in the T-zone. On the back, you have broad silicone bristles that specialize in deep cleansing that is great for oilier skin. It also has 8 adjustable intensities, so you can customize your cleansing experience to your specific skin type. This device uses T-sonic pulsations to remove 99.5% of dirt, oil, and makeup residue while also gently removing dead skin cells. This is supposed to help diminish the appearance of pores, improve skin texture, and improve the absorption of your skincare products. And it does all of this in just 1 minute. So here's how to use it. First, remove all of your makeup. You then want to wet the device, and you can apply cleanser either directly to the Luna Mini 2 or onto your face. Start by cleansing your chin and cheeks in circular motions for 15 seconds. And you don't have to worry about keeping time for this because the device will pulsate when the 15 seconds is up, so you know to switch to the other side. Cleanse your nose and under eye region for 15 seconds. And then lastly, cleanse your forehead for 15 seconds. To finish, rinse your face and the Luna and you're done. So I have had the Foreo Luna Mini 2 for about 10 months now, and I couldn't be happier with it. It does a great job of cleansing my face without irritating it or making it feel tight or dry. And because it's made of silicone, it's resistant to bacterial buildup, making it so much more hygienic than using a cleansing brush. It's also 100% water resistant, so you can use it in the shower, and the charge on it lasts forever. It comes with a USB charger, and it says that you're supposed to charge it when you first get it, and the charge will last for up to 300 uses. So like I said, I got it 10 months ago and I'm still on that first charge, and I use it every single day. So it's a great device to travel with as well. So if you were looking for a great facial cleansing device, I absolutely recommend this one. I give it a solid 5 out of 5 stars. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!